Cleanse with an oil-free cleanser, removing any makeup, impurities, and oil. And then go ahead and apply your gel primer. So you want a good mask-like layer. Apply it directly to the area that you're going to be lifting, and I always start with my neck. Turn your device on. I always like to lift on high, but you can adjust your intensity. You want to start at the collar of the neck, slowly glide towards the back of the neck, take a step up, and then right underneath that jawline, really contouring that jawline, lifting towards the back of the neck. Now apply more gel to the cheek area. Starting on the nasolabial fold, slowly glide to the lobe of the ear. Taking a step up, slowly glide towards the middle of the ear, and then one more skirting that orbital rim up to the top of the ear. After applying gel on the forehead, you're going to start at the thick of the brow and lift up, the arch of the brow, and then the end of the brow, always lifting towards the hairline. So I finished lifting half of my face. Look at the pop of my cheekbone compared to here. Look at the corner of my lip compared to here. Now let's go ahead and lift the other side. Always lift just half the face first so you can really see the results. Always glide slowly and always glide in an upward motion. So in 5 minutes, you just lifted your face. Tap in the remaining gel primer to enjoy those skincare benefits. And remember the NuFACE Fix to instantly smooth fine lines and wrinkles. It's the perfect finishing step to any NuFACE facial.